Hello patrons, let's build on what we were talking about yesterday. As a commitment to yourself, make sure that you're watching these videos every day, listening to what I'm saying and implementing it. It is the easiest way to do the FlyLady system. So make sure that you have a reminder so that you can go look at the dailies every day. I just made the daily for tomorrow, and listen to what I'm telling you. There'll be little nuggets in there from time to time, but generally I'm going to tell you to go through your morning routine, your basic weekly plan, and your zone. So I'll be reminding you of what those things are. And I think that having that reminder, reminding you to look in your planner, I try to remind you that every day, that will really help you. Instead of you trying to do it on your own, just listen to it, commit to it, make a commitment to yourself to really be invested in the FlyLady system. You've invested money to watch these patron videos. Please watch the patron videos. Even if you think that a title doesn't apply to you, watch the video anyway, because there'll be something in there that you can put away for later, or that you can see from another point of view and implement it in your own way. So I'd really like to make sure that you're doing that. And that every morning is a fresh start for you, and that you recommit every morning, that you recommit every day at noon, that you recommit every evening. How about when you do your 3 clutter checks? It's a time for recommitment, realignment, assessing your situation and adjusting just a little bit, little tweaks and things. Remembering to complete your processes. Remembering to do the clutter checks. Remembering, if you have any, to inspect what you expect of your children. Remembering and implementing the process. Again, we're talking about being aware and being focused. By implementing these videos into your life, by committing to watching them and doing them, that's focus. And then by self-monitoring yourself, you don't want to have to do that by yourself all day long. That's why you have me. But when I'm not in your ear on your video, then you just implement what I've told you and focus and self-monitor during the day. That's going to make a big difference. One of these days, and I promise it won't be long, this is going to be so easy for you if it isn't already. This is not hard. This is not impossible. This will happen. It's one little step after the other. Remember that you're not a machine. Remember that you're not a math problem. You're organic. Your life is organic. There's going to be an ebb and a flow to every day. There's going to be a high tide and a low tide to every day. You know, we can correlate our life to nature. You can't predict the weather and you can't predict your life. But you can predict that the sun will come up and the sun will go down, even if you can't see it. And so your routines are going to happen every day just like that. Up like the sun, finish like the sun. So I'm so proud of you for how much you've accomplished already. For those of you who are just starting, I want you to know that there is an end in sight. You might not be able to see it, but I do, because I know it'll happen if you just follow the steps I give you. Some of you are very, very ADD, very sidetracked. So that's why you have me, to help you stay on track. But you have to practice this for yourself, no matter how ADD you are. All right? No matter what challenges are in your life, you still have to put forth the effort. Nothing that is worthwhile is easy. The hard part is up here, but you can do it. I'm very proud of you. Again, recommit, stay committed. I'm here to help carry you. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.